YouTube, my guys, my girls, it's your man's VeracityTT back again with another tutorial. Now this one funny, y'all. I know y'all gonna laugh at this one. Take this title with a grain of salt, all right? But I figured this was pretty dope. So if you own the X32, you definitely gonna want to check this out. So I'm here, like right here, you can see I'm in the MPC software, right? So I figured out a way on how to use the freaking buttons on the X32 as pads to control at least 8 pads, all right? So I'm about to show y'all how to set that up real quick. First thing you want to do, click up here on the hamburger menu, and we're gonna go, no. Go up here to MPC, and then let's get here to settings, right? Once we in setting, let's go down to MIDI. When you get to the X32, make sure it says control, because we're about to do some crazy stuff here. So yeah, just click on this control right there. Make sure it's lit up gray. All right. So click OK, right? Wait, this crazy. All right. So look, from here, you're gonna click down here and right click in this box. I mean, don't right click it. Click this menu right next to it. Click new MIDI map, enable, and learn, right? So now you see these are highlighted right here, right? Those pads. What we're gonna do, I'm gonna click this pad in, right, like that. I'm gonna go up here, I'm gonna click this one in. You see how it's giving me different numbers? So these are assignable for pads, y'all. Like, if you know how to use what you got, man, you can get away with murder in 2023. I'll say 2023. But this pretty interesting, y'all. So look, check this out. So you do that, you know, right? So I got that in, so I'm gonna turn learn off. Keep enabled turned on. And then I'm gonna just come down here. I'm gonna go to my MPC pack here. All right, yeah. I'm gonna do it like this. Clap right there. The hi-hat right there. Can we get a kick? All right. And yeah, y'all, so I'm not about to go too crazy with this tutorial. This was supposed to be quick. So look at this, y'all. But yeah, that's dope, right? Hey, I ain't even gonna lie. I was low-key trolling y'all right there. But if y'all really do want to use that, y'all can. You know what I'm saying? In a crunch or in a, you know, you might be performing at an event or something like that, and you can pull up the MPC software and jam out real quick. You know what I'm saying? But I was really trolling. But if y'all really do want to do that, this the settings, all right? Just have this card MIDI turned on, that card MIDI turned on, and this remote enabled. You don't even need the button enabled. Just make sure card MIDI turned on and this card MIDI turned on, all right? That's all you need.